Today we are at CHEMUK 2021. We're trying to show the joining together of the automation and the PAT system together to deliver systems that are compliant with Industry 4.0. So today we have one system here using mobile robots, using what's called a Brooker MPA tablet tester to show a physical cyber system whereby a robot can go to your tablet press, collect tablets that can be brought back to your analytical laboratory for testing. Another system is around bioreactors, just showing how the automation system and the PAT system work together to deliver great results for your bioreactor. The other solution is a fairly simple system. It's using near-infrared on a blender. Traditionally, a blend might take 15 minutes, 20 minutes. This system uses, as I say, the near-infrared to look at the rate of change of the spectra, and when the spectra moves down to a constant rate as determined by an F-test, then the blender is shut off, which reduces the cycle time. Process Analytical Technology, and CHEMUK in particular, can deliver huge benefits. The PAT system has to work in combination with an automation system, so Optimal is uniquely placed in being able to combine both automation and PAT solutions together to provide a total turnkey, PAT-enabled automation system. So we've had a great time here at CHEMUK 2021. It has been a great event and a great deal of interest, and we look forward to seeing you here next year.